Hey, what's up guys? My name is Anand and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can dominate your search engine results pages with the help of AI, zero click, and brand authority. So let's get started. As you all know, generative AI has transformed the way, how you are creating content, right? Brands are able to use multiple tools to create content, edit content, proofread it, and then publish at scale. So the new SEO landscape is completely different. The biggest one impacting every brand is this zero click searches. This is when you go on Google, search for something, and then immediately you get a result, and people are essentially consuming that information, and literally there is no click happening. So it's estimated that over 25% of these clicks are coming through zero click searches, right? And 42.9% goes to feature snippet. So this is basically, people are looking for any Q&A, and search engines answering those queries directly on the results pages. So as you can see, there's a massive impact, and this is going to really, bring down the overall organic traffic. So the key takeaway is don't just rely on keywords and focus on creating content that answers, users' questions directly in the search engine's results page. The next one is the impact of AI overviews and conversational search. As you know, Google's AI overview is pretty much everywhere, right? When you search something, especially when it's an informational query, Google will immediately give you an answer, including bullet points, as well as link to resources. So it's important to optimize your content for AI overviews, right? And try to create content that is snippet friendly by using clear headlines, bullet points, and concise answer. Also, if you don't know, Google now processes over 8.3 billion searches per day. So the competition is pretty fierce. So the key takeaway here is structure your content for AI consumption and anticipate, follow-up questions, and implement schema markup to improve visibility, right? The next step is about building brand authority. Brand is still the king, and the way you can build brand authority is by creating clusters of content, right? You can develop content that is essentially focusing on addressing common questions around a specific industry or domain, and you should dominate that space, right? It's as if Google thinks that your brand is associated with a specific industry. And if you can dominate and address common industry questions and create topic clusters, you will be able to really improve your brand visibility and brand authority. But also keep in mind that you need to focus on other channels such as, engage in guest posts, social media roundups, and video content. That helps in enhancing recognition. And essentially, these are all going to provide trust signals. So that way, you are able to invest in strategies that will help you to improve your brand authority and brand recognition. So that's the next area that you can focus on to really take advantage of this new era of search engines, right? All right. I have already mentioned about expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness in multiple videos, but essentially focus on content quality. Think about this. Everyone has access to Perplexity, ChatGPT, and all the latest models like DeepSeek, right? But focus on content quality so that way it almost feels like it's coming from a human writer rather than it's AI generated, right? So that expertise is very important. You got to be an expert in that area. You got to showcase experience in that area. It needs to come from a brand that has authority, and thereby you can build trustworthiness. So EEAT is still very, very important. Focus on long tail keywords, right? That's helpful to capture specific user queries and naturally. Craft Q&A questions and FAQ section in your content. That will also help you to optimize for people also ask boxes, and regularly update your content to keep it fresh and relevant. So content quality, topical authority, and user engagement are important aspects to stand out from the rest of the brands who simply generate AI content and just straight away publish. So content quality is very important. All right. The next one is obviously once you do all this aspect of creation, planning, it's about technical SEO. Focus on running regular site audits using SEMrush or Google Search Console. Ensure that your website is mobile friendly because I can easily estimate that more than 50% of your traffic should be coming from mobile. So ensure that it's mobile friendly. Diversify your traffic, integrate social media channels, email marketing, and video content strategies. So that way you are not just dependent on search engines for your traffic. And even though 92% of the global traffic it comes from Google, I think it's always best to diversify our channel. You must have noticed that there is a slight competition going on where people are searching on ChatGPT, Perplexity. They are getting answers on AI search engines, right? So Google's market share is actually at risk and it's going to slightly decline. But that's why you need to focus on other channels in terms of ranking on those areas. So to sum it up, really it's about embracing AI driven search, right? That's where the new SEO game is. Optimize for zero click searches and AI overviews. Build brand presence because if you are a new entity or a brand and if you're simply cracking out content without any authoritativeness or engagement, it's just fluff content, right? Combine that with technical expertise so that way your site is technically sound and mobile optimized. And if you combine all these three tactics, you'll be able to stay ahead, stay adaptable, and dominate search engine results pages in 2025. So though that's a pretty quick video in terms of the new SEO for 2025 and how you can embrace AI. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you next time. Thank you.